I'm very good.
Okay,
What
and
about you? How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. So, how was your day today? Exhausting, exciting, boring?
Yeah, the last one. Maybe the last one. I went to office, but there was not much work, so it was a kind of boring day for me.
Uh, okay, okay, fine. So, I think we are meeting for the first time. I'm Janice Lobo, and
Yeah.
I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I shall be your tutor for today. Are you liking the journey with Lapingo? Like, do you find any improvement? I don't know which is the session like.
Exact number I can say, but it would be more than 140 sessions.
Oh, okay, that's
So
very
it
nice.
speaks volume for my interest about like
Yeah, yeah, of course, yes. Like I can't really express like 140 sessions. That's very nice. Okay, so that's the intensity with which you are like you want to learn the language, and you're liking for that language. Also
yes, yes.
shows your dedication. Also, that's very
I always
nice.
feel good actually when I can speak English with somebody because we don't have anybody to speak here with,
Yes, yes.
and that's why I have taking classes
Hmm.
on Clipingo,
Okay.
and I feel good when I get to speak.
Yes, that's right. Also, when we don't have anyone to speak to, the like even if we learn, then that practice stops. Like you don't have that practice going on because you will learn something, but you're not practicing it. Then you don't really remember
Yes,
it.
yes. So
Yeah.
I learned something, some words, some phrases, but when I don't put them into practice, I just tend to forget them.
Correct. Correct.
Mm.
Absolutely.
So tell me something about you. I mean, you have told me your name and you are from Maharashtra. Other than
Yes.
clapping or teaching on this
Yeah.
platform, what other things do you do?
Yes. So this is like a part-time thing that I do on Tapingo. Otherwise, I'm a full-time student. I'm in my final year of English literature. I will be graduating next year in March. So that's very soon. And other
You are
apart,
in master's degree or
no,
bachelor's?
no, no, bachelor's, right?
Bachelor's.
Yeah. So apart from that, my hobbies are like I write poems, I read books, I paint sometimes. All this is all on that beginner level. I'm not very good at like I'm not advanced, but yes, I try doing all that stuff. So
Okay.
that's just about me. I like playing badminton, but because of the pandemic, like it's been 2 years I've not touched that badminton racket. I really want to
That's
play,
too
but
long. 2 years
yeah,
too long.
yes, like because of the pandemic, because of the
Mhm.
pandemic,
Yes,
everything.
yes.
So what, like, how do you feel about this entire, this was the first time something like this happened, lockdown, and there were no exams for students. So what did you feel during the COVID situation? Did it have a positive or a negative impact on
There are so many negative things happen.
you? Mm-hmm.
Particularly, we have lost most of our known persons.
Yes, yes,
Everybody
that's
somewhere in this world have lost someone
it. Mm.
that known to them.
Yeah,
This is the main bad thing happen.
yes,
Uh, Other than that, the people have lost their jobs and the businessmen have suffered a lot due to
yes,
this.
right.
We are actually kind of fortunate persons because being in a government job, we do not have to suffer that much
Mm-hmm.
because we are getting salary even though we did not attend our office.
Yes,
So I did not feel the pain actually, but I
okay,
have seen there are so many in not only in India but throughout the world have suffered a lot. And
yes.
particularly the student community, they have suffered a lot. You
Mm-hmm.
are one of them,
Yeah,
isn't it?
I can't say I like it was actually not suffering in that sense. Like it was a little bit better. I felt like they were easy on us in that sense. But yes, this semester that was there, yeah, that was
So,
like full of
so you
suffering.
like to attend the classes through online?
No, I actually don't like it. I like going to my college more. But what happens in online classes, I get more time to study. Like I can read other articles and all of that. I can do extra reading, and I can take
Hmm.
like I can develop my hobby skills. I can do some part time thing also. that is something that had a positive impact. Otherwise, I don't like online lectures. The learning quality decreases in that sense, I feel. That is it. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as you said that you write poems, etc.,
Mhm.
and do you write article in newspaper or in any magazine like that?
Yeah, like I've written some articles, but it's like for that youth magazines and all that, which come for that youth only, not on a very large level. But yes, like I've tried my hand at that also. Okay, more or less it was okay.
Uh,
Yes. Okay, so I just want like some corrections. Huh? When you spoke well, uh, so you said no that which was this word that you used? Other than that, you were telling me about the pandemic situation. Other than that,
yeah.
if you remember, I don't remember the entire. So the better word is saying apart from this. Apart from
Apart
this,
from the
do you know about the India versus Pakistan match, T20 series?
last one that happened few days back.
Yes, yes. India
Yeah, I
lost.
watch not at I mean constantly, but I watch some hours.
Okay. So how was your reaction after the result? Like, did you feel shocked that how can India? Because I read many comments where they were like so shocked. How can India lose to Pakistan? So I felt like it's okay if India loses to Pakistan. But what did you feel like
No, no, I
about it?
take it normal as it's a
Okay.
game and anybody
Mm-hmm.
can lose any match in a particular day.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a normal thing that happens, isn't it? You cannot
Yes,
win
yes.
every game.
Correct, correct.
So there must be some bad days that you'll have to suffer a loss.
Yes.
But I think people reacted very much because it was almost, not almost, it was a one-sided game actually. Pakistan dominated the whole game, the whole
Mm-hmm.
match.
Yes.
That's why maybe that was one of the reasons that people reacted very negatively.
Correct, correct. I agree. Okay. So what else? What else do you like talking about? Like I have topics, but it's like you have to do the talking. So what are the topics that interest you?
Okay, I am doing normal conversation. I can ask you about your city. That what do you like about Mumbai and what you not like about Mumbai? You can tell me.
Yeah. So the it's like I like the local trains of Mumbai and I dislike the local trains of Mumbai. Both like that. Liking is because you get a lot of experience with that local trains and all of that, and dislike is because there's so much crowd and you never know you might like die also one day because there's so much crowd and that experience is very dangerous also as well as thrilling also because you don't know like will you be able to get down. If you will be able to get down, will you get down safely or not, like that. All that is there. But yes, still I like because everybody says that you come to Mumbai, so you come for job, and then Mumbai is the heart of India and all of that. So I feel proud about that. But yeah, tell me about Guwahati. So suppose I am coming to Guwahati, okay, and you have to advertise Guwahati. What would you tell me about it?
Yeah, I always want you to come to Guwahati, and there are so many places that you would love to visit. Like
Mm-hmm.
uh, there are so many temples, and say we have now recently opened one ropeway over the mighty Brahmaputra River. So that is
Okay.
also one interesting place to visit.
Mm-hmm.
And not about Guwahati, but in other places like in Assam, that Kaziranga National Park, it is
Yes.
200 kilometers away from Guwahati. So there are so many tourists are coming from even foreign countries also. So it is
Oh,
another
nice.
place.
Wow.
And we have a longest bridge over Brahmaputra. It's about 9.3 kilometers. So that is also one thing to
Mm.
visit.
Okay.
It is not in Guwahati though, but in
Mm-hmm.
Assam, that the state I am living in.
Yes.
And another place is the largest island, river island actually, largest river island in the world. It,
Mm-hmm.
it is also in Assam. That is called Majuli.
Okay,
island.
River Island. I've never heard of this. Like, what is it? Like, I
I
don't get.
mean, island generally, we know that island are on oceans or
Yes.
seas, is not it? So
Uh-huh.
the island that we have here on
Oh,
uh, Brahmaputra River. So it's a
okay, okay. Like that. Got it. Okay.
so it is. This is the largest river island in the world.
Oh, in the world. Wow,
Yeah.
nice. What about the weather of Guwahati? How is it? Like, is it pleasant? Which month can one visit?
Now it's very pleasant now. If someone want to visit it, this is the right time because
Okay,
now the weather is very pleasant one.
right.
But say 15 to 20 days back, it was very hot and it was uncomfortable at that time. But
Yes.
now it is very good.
So, what's the highest temperature during summer that the place can reach? Like,
Uh, in terms of temperature, it does not go that high, say
mm-hmm.
38, 39 maximum.
Okay,
But
okay,
the heat that we feel, it's very
okay. It's intense heat
intense.
is there.
Yeah, yeah. The heat is very intense. Yeah.
Okay. So
So
I
what
have
is the
some.
okay,
Mhm.
okay,
Say,
ask
say.
me.
No, no, no. See. I
No,
want
I just
topics.
wanted to ask you what is place in Mumbai that you like most, that you want to visit again and again, like the place.
I like South Bombay more, like because of the like the atmosphere is also very good, and there are many places to visit in South Bombay. Taking from like it's expensive actually, that is there, but there are markets and all of that. So I like South Bombay more, like Churchgate, CST, and all of that. Those places
Okay.
are nice. But I've never been to like Navi Mumbai, the lower side of it, like Vashi, Virar, if you know these places. Uh,
I have heard names of these places.
yes. So I don't know about those areas, but yes, South Bombay I like. I like to visit South Bombay.
Okay.
Okay. So I have some topics, and like you can tell me your opinions. What do you think about it, and we can have a discussion on that if at all. And
Okay.
yeah, I might also give my opinion if I have. So, do you think celebrities can become good politicians?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Celebrities, this is a completely different field, I think. No, uh,
Yes.
celebrities mean you are a movie star or
Yeah, I am
like that.
restricting it to just movie personalities because there are many movie stars who have become politicians. So, just along those lines.
Yes, it is nowadays. It is happening a lot because
Hmm.
of their celebrity status. So people follow
Yes.
them. So
Correct.
politicians are taking advantage of these things. They feel the candidates who are from the film industry just to
Yeah.
garner votes.
Yes.
Nothing else, I think.
Yeah. I agree with that. Like because of just they're popular. But do you think they really have those skills that politicians and leaders need to govern the country?
Maybe 1 or 2%, maybe, but
Yes, maybe.
yeah,
Okay.
but many of them are just a symbol, like things that yeah, he is from this industry and he has stood in an election contest, so people come and will vote him. So this
Yes.
is the main thing.
What?
Otherwise, I don't think those who are in politics they would bring them into politics. Why they should ask them to come and fight in an election? This is the
Yes.
only reason.
Yeah, totally. I totally agree with that. And because the just like you said, both fields are totally different, and skills required are very different. Sometimes people don't have skills in both fields, and still they are there in those fields.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So one more question, final one. So you know about capital punishment in India, um, right?
yes,
Yes. So,
yeah.
do you think we should get rid of capital punishment, or should India continue with the same? practice of capital punishment, because there are very few countries in the world that still practice capital punishment. India is
I
one
think
of
in India it is necessary to
them.
have this capital punishment because there are so many crimes that are happening, particularly against women. You have seen,
Yes.
I mean, you have heard or
Hmm.
watch on TV every day, every day.
Hmm.
Okay, so in order to just in to feel, I mean, the perpetrators, they don't have any fear about committing any crime because they know that they will get away of it. And what
Yes.
more, a maximum uh, life, what is the life imprisonment or like that.
Oh.
So if it happens frequently that whoever committed the crime, heinous crime, and they are punished with capital punishment, and that those will set an example for others that it
Yeah.
will act as a deterrent for the crimes. They will
Right.
not, they will think that before
Hmm.
committing any crime that no, I cannot do it. It
Hmm. Correct. It it will instill fear within them.
yes, yes.
Okay. So just so whatever you said was correct again. My feedback for you, we still have like 1-2 minutes left. I feel that you speak really well, and since you even had 140 sessions, that is like really high for me. I am really still amazed about that. But anyways, your fluency is good. Sometimes you tend to fumble a little bit here and then, but it's totally okay, because the questions also I asked, they need to be like thought upon and then answered.
No,
uh
actually, what happens is that I want to say something and I just stop what to say next, and the words doesn't come. Uh,
okay.
Actually, now just you told me now they instill fear. I know that one, but
Hmm.
when I wanted to tell, it didn't come to me. But when you told me instill fear, oh, I knew that one, but I could not.
Yes.
That happened.
Yeah, actually it happens with everyone. It's like sometimes we don't really get the best way of expressing ourselves, but it's still fine as long as you express yourself. But suppose you really want that idea, you can take a break of say 2 seconds, or you can just lower your pace so that your mind gets time to think more. So I do this, like suppose I feel that I'm not getting something, I try to lower my pace, and in that I'll just make you uh, I'll keep you what you can say.
Engaged.
Yes. Yeah, engaged in the this, and then I'm at my in my subconscious I'm thinking about the next sentence that I can talk. So like that, so that you can do. Thank you for that word. Anyways, so it was good talking to you, and yeah, I hope to see you someday, and all the
Yes,
best.
sure,
Keep
sure.
it.
I also enjoyed the conversation with you. It was a
Oh,
nice talking.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye, good night.
Bye. Good night.